Today, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm unique gift ideas. Whether it's for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion, ChatGPT has got you covered for finding the perfect gift. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithms show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. So here we are at ChatGPT. Think about the person you're buying the gift for and what they like. Just type the prompt here like, I need gift ideas for someone on Valentine's Day. Always remember to specify. This gives ChatGPT context to generate relevant suggestions like you asked. Here's how ChatGPT does its magic. It generates a list of gift ideas based on preferences you provided. See which ones resonate with you. If you do need more information or want to narrow down your options, just ask ChatGPT for follow-up questions. For instance, you're currently on a tight budget or you have limited resources available. You can ask ChatGPT gift ideas that's within a $50 budget, the ones you can make from scratch or DIY that is, or even gifts that's based on their personal preferences. That's all up to you whether you're willing to put in more details for ChatGPT to generate better results, or you've finally decided a gift idea that piques your full interest. And there you have it. This is how you use ChatGPT to brainstorm gift ideas.